I'm Patrice Gordon-Poiser, a member of JAHJAH Foundation. Today we're here at Trans-Carib Shippers. We're packing 2 containers, one for Savanna in Jamaica and the other for Black River. At this point, a truck is being offloaded that was sent from Crasdale. Crasdale is a large food distributor here in the US and they provide various food items. So they've graciously donated 5 pallets of a variety of products to be sent to Jamaica for the Hurricane Melissa relief. On behalf of the JAHJAH Foundation, we would like to thank the management and staff of Crasdale.
Don't put them there. You put them there and you tell them.
Yeah, hi, I'm Dr. Trevor Dixon from the JAHJAH Foundation, and I'm just coming off a night shift, 8 p.m. to 8 a.m. and I had to head from Trans-Caribbean East Orange, New Jersey to make sure we receive these much needed hurricane supply release for Jamaica. It's a big operation here today. Most of the stuff will be delivered today for the simple fact that the shipping company, as most shipping companies who are shipping to the Caribbean now, they have no space. So it took a great deal of coordination to get all the supplies here today so we can ship them out to our brothers and sisters who we know are suffering in Jamaica. So we pray that these merchandise gets to those who need them and those who are wailing and suffering right now. So thank you for your support of the JAHJAH Foundation, and know that we're out here working for the beautiful people of Jamaica. Thank you.
Money.